said to me, the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. There was a boy, a very strange enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eye, very wise was he. And then one day, a magic day, my way, and while we spoke of many things, fools and kings, these he said to me, the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved.